At Volvo, we understand that you will never carry anything as precious as your children in your car. And we've known for a long time that the safest way to carry small children is in rearward-facing child seats.
We at Volvo have been engaged in child safety development since the early 60s. We ran the first crash test with the first child seat, rearward-facing of course. We strongly believe that children should go rearward-facing up to at least 3-4 years, simply because they need to be protected over the whole back and head, because their neck is very vulnerable and the head is heavy. In a frontal impact, going rearward-facing as compared to forward-facing, it can be a question of life or death. Comparing tests with a forward-facing and a rearward-facing child seat, we measure forces up to 7 times higher in the forward-facing child seat.
Our latest child seats are the result of more than 50 years of experience and innovation. They ensure your child will always be as safe and comfortable as possible, and they are integral to our vision that by 2020, no one will be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo car. We do this for your children's safety and for the future.